Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I want to show you how to transfer your crypto from Coinbase to your Ellipal wallet. Remember, the first step is always to like and subscribe. So here we are on our Ellipal wallet, and all we need to do is click on receive. And once we hit receive, it's going to ask us to select what token we want to receive, and we'll just choose Bitcoin. So just click over here and that'll copy the address. Now we're going to jump over to Coinbase. So while you're on Coinbase, all you want to do is hit transfer. That'll bring this little window up and you want to say send crypto. Okay, so now it's going to ask you to paste in that wallet address and then your wallet should pop up and you can select it. Okay, now unfortunately I don't have any Bitcoin in my wallet or on Coinbase. But all that will happen now is it'll ask you how much Bitcoin do you want to send, and all you'll do is hit the send button at the bottom of the screen. And once you do that, it's going to ask you to review the order and it'll show you any additional fees if there are any. And then you will just say send or complete the transaction. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.